Need to turn off the schedule on your Honeywell thermostat? Whether you have a T4R, T6, T6R, or T6 Pro. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, let's look at the Honeywell T4R. First, press the menu button. Next, scroll until you see Program, then press Select. And then, the screen will show On, meaning the schedule is active. Press the left or right arrow to change it to Off. Next, press Select to save the setting. Press Home to return to the main screen. You'll notice the following schedule text is gone. Your thermostat is now in manual mode, and you can adjust the temperature freely. Next, let's move to the Honeywell T6 and T6R. First, press the calendar button with a cross. When you do this, the schedule turns off. Now you need to adjust the temperature manually whenever needed. If want to turn the schedule back on, press the same button again. The cross disappears, meaning your thermostat is now following the preset schedule. Finally, here's how to turn off the schedule on your Honeywell T6 Pro. First, press the menu button. Next, find Schedule on the screen and press Select. In the top right corner, you'll see Schedule On, Off. Select it and turn it off. Once you exit the menu, your thermostat will now work manually. No automatic programming. You can still switch between heat, cool, auto, and off, just like a traditional thermostat. And that's it! Now your Honeywell thermostat is running without a schedule. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more thermostat tips.